there! Welcome to Levels. You just booked a call with us, and I want to say that was a smart move. We're officially one step closer to launching a fully structured plug-and-play hip-hop program that your students and parents are going to love. Levels is the first curriculum of its kind, built specifically for studios, with real structure, real support, and real results. Our mission is to make it easy for you to confidently teach or offer an authentic age-appropriate hip-hop or breaking class, no matter your background. Here's what you can expect on the call. We'll ask a few quick questions about your studio, schedule, and goals. We'll walk you through what's inside the curriculum, how it's delivered, and which option is best fit for you. We'll make sure you leave with a clear plan, whether you're just getting started or ready to launch this month. When you choose Levels, here's what you unlock: a fully structured 3-level curriculum, 40 weeks per level. Detailed lesson plans that build week to week. Instructional videos for every skill. Music playlists, activities, and games. Homework and parent engagement tools. Themed lessons and cultural knowledge drops. Instructor onboarding and training. White label materials for your studio branding. It's designed so teachers can walk in, open their book, and teach with confidence. Whether you're a solo instructor, hiring for the first time, or running a studio with 10+ teachers, we have a path for you. Don't worry, you don't need a hip-hop background. You just need a desire to offer your students a culturally grounded, high-quality class experience. Here's how to get the most out of your call. Show up on time. We block the spot just for you. Bring any questions that you have. And if you have any other staff involved in decisions, invite them too. This is your moment to finally bring structure, support, and scalability to your hip-hop program. And we're here to help you do it. Check your email for the Zoom link, and we'll see you on the call. We can't wait to learn more about your studio and help you level up.